Okay, guys, so love it or hate it, Immersive Home is here to say, it seems like. Okay. And with the Immersive Home, we did actually get an update for Halloween of sorts, okay? So if we go here, which, you get to Immersive Home by clicking on the left thumbstick, or rather left Joy-Con, the three buttons. And that's all we did, switch sceneries. But this isn't the scenery we're looking at. This is, this is kind of like supposed to be a spooky Halloween-esque scenery. So, as you see, we're installing it right now, and let's come back once we have it installed. Okay, and now that it's installed, we can switch to it. Yes, look, we have that cool Halloween vibe. Let's hide this. We can still do everything we want to do, but we can also look around and see that it literally gave the whole place a spooky type vibe, okay? Now look over here. Spooky type vibe. Look, even a boarded up type window type thing for your spooky type stuff. This is spooky type vibe as well. And so I know I called it Halloween update because it basically is like a scary Halloween type update, but I will be perfectly honest, it's not entirely Halloween, it's more just spooky in general type thing, but I do think it's pretty cool. And I hope, oh, look, they're like the classic, classic of the whole axe. See, I wish you could pick up the axe, that would be cool. The axe in the chop tree thing. It's fun. It's fun, okay? I truly do think it is fun. Now, with that said, speculation is still, do we think that we'll get kind of the type of thing for all holidays and stuff? And do we think it's permanent? Because as you guys know, since we have this new thing that came with update V81, the immersive home, which seems to be a permanent thing, we only get the sceneries that Meta says that they, are okay with us having and stuff. Basically, Meta approved. Now, it is worth noting that the scenes can actually be uninstalled if you wish. You simply just have to go to settings, as you usually do for many things, and then go to general, and then go to storage. And once you get to storage, click on here and click scenery, and then it shows what you have installed as far as scenery. Now, currently, the only one you cannot uninstall is this one, okay? So if we switch back to this, you can't uninstall this because this is the Horizon Central. It's the main home. So you can uninstall this, and of course this. And again, I personally do hope that they do something like this for the holidays. I think it's a cool thing. It also plays around with the lighting environment here and whatnot. Now, that being said, maybe they do like a few more higher res type things, I think that would be pretty cool if I'm being honest, because I'll be honest, I'm slowly trying to get used to it. I mean, technically speaking, we can. Oh, I forgot we could do that. Okay, technically speaking, we could actually have. Wait a minute. Let me see. Wait, that stays with me. Huh. I didn't realize that. That stays with me. I just turned my head to the left. Okay, I get that stays with me no matter what. But I guess in the home, it just stays with you. I guess, I don't know. Maybe I'm reading too much into it. I don't know. I think I'm getting too used to the home environment. I guess they do want it to get used to the environment home, but I wish I could pin something here. I think that would be pretty cool. Like maybe pin the store here. That would be fine, right? Yeah. Yeah. If I could pin the store here, that would be excellent, honestly. Yeah. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end it off here, okay? I'll end it off here. Yeah, see, I would like to pin it right there. That would be cool. So I could just have this store here forever. And yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to end it off here once again. I've let it go on for way too long. Tell me what you guys think about this, okay? What you guys think about the fact that they're giving us new sceneries. First Halloween, we'll see where it goes. Maybe more for the holidays in general. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.